AI can plan your entire trip in minutes. A full day-by-day itinerary, the local secrets, and ways to save real money. It's like having a travel agent who works for free and never sleeps. Welcome to AI Edge Lab. Whether it's a weekend away or a big holiday, here's how to use free AI to plan a better trip for less. Let's break it down. Step 1. The itinerary. Tell it where you're going, how many days, your budget, and your vibe. Relaxed or pack it all in. It'll build you a realistic day-by-day plan in seconds. Step 2. Save money. Ask it for cheaper alternatives, which neighborhoods are good value to stay in, the free things worth doing, and roughly when it's cheapest to go. Step 3. Eat like a local. Ask where locals actually eat, not the tourist traps near the big sites. This one tip alone makes a trip feel completely different. Step 4. The practical stuff. Have it build a packing list for the weather, list what you should book ahead, and explain the basic entry requirements, so nothing catches you out. Step 5. The language. Ask for the 10 phrases you'll actually use and how to say them. On the trip itself, AI can translate signs and menus in real time. Now the honest catch, and it matters. AI can be out of date on prices, opening hours, and especially visa and entry rules. So always confirm bookings and official requirements yourself before you rely on them. But used right, it replaces hours of research and an expensive agent with a free planner tailored exactly to you, your budget, and the way you like to travel. Quick win. Build a rough plan, then paste it back and ask one question. How would you make this cheaper and less touristy? Watch it level up your whole trip. Travel smarter for less. If this helped, follow AI Edge Lab. We turn AI into your money and your time every week. See you in the next one.